Hello everyone, here is Hangzhou into Auto Parts specializing in magnetic shift pedals, and today this is our new arrival. This is for the Ford Raptor F150, this car type, and this is the appearance of the shift pedals. After we install the long pedals, it's like this. And this part is made of the ABS plastic, and this part is made of iron, and this is magnetic part. And this is our pedals, it's like this. And our work shape is just perfect. And every set we will give you two pedals. It's a set of the short pedals and a set of the long pedals. It's like this. And just like this, we also have the small tools for you.